Hello, welcome to my first contact staff tutorial. I'm going to be covering the half Steve, a very basic introductory move, and I would say it's very important to learn as it's going to sort of give you an idea of what it means to do contact staff and how your body is going to be interacting with the staff. So a half Steve looks like this. And it's a very basic move, as you saw. You go from one side of the body to the other, and you're just rolling it down your arms and your back. So to begin, take the staff upside down, with each hand being about an inch from the center point. You don't need to mark the center point, but it is very helpful in moving ahead. So I would recommend that you mark your center points. So let's work with the right hand or your dominant hand first. I'd say it's easier to learn that way. I would also say that figuring out things with your left hand, your non-dominant hand, will come with time, and it's better just to get the moves down first. That way you can actually have some fun with this rather than just dropping your staff over and over and over. I know there's a big focus on it, but I think work on trying to have fun before work on being skilled, and whatever is fun, really. So, anyways, you take it here with your hand palm facing up, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to move your staff clockwise, with 12 o'clock being up. Imagine a big clock above you. So move it, and then when your hand moves all the way around and you have the center point sort of right along with your wrist, you release it, and it's going to want to start rolling down your arm, and then it's going to hit your shoulder. It's going to swing around your shoulder, and then you're going to put your arm down, roll it slightly up, and then because it's still going to have that momentum of turning along with the roll, you're going to want to raise it because otherwise it's going to hit you in the head. So let's break that down. So first, you turn it, you release, and then you have it come down to your neck. And you can just stop here, you can just practice this, it's very easy. If you don't put your arm down, your arm will just stop it. It's a good place to practice. And one thing to notice is that if I just put my arm straight up, it's just going to come down and bounce. What you want to do is you want to make it nice and smooth, which means lowering your arm slightly as it rolls. That way it doesn't roll incredibly quickly and just smack into your neck. So once you have that, you can put down your arm and begin to roll around your shoulder. So, like that. And the neck part is pretty simple. The staff's going to want to do it on its own, so don't really worry about that. The parts to worry about are your arms, really. So, after we've gotten down around the neck, the staff's going to start, you want to have your arm a little bit down, so it's going to start rolling. But again, as it goes up, you're going to want to raise up your arm. That way your staff is above your head. And that's pretty much it. The only other tips I would say are just when you're doing this, I have problems with my wrist. I tend to notice that if I just try and twist everything with my wrist, I'm going to feel a lot of pain there. So try and sort of use your arm to create the momentum rather than forcing your wrist to do all the work. And then once you have that, you're just going to want to move to the other side, which I don't have very well myself. But I hope that's been helpful, and I hope that I will continue to make these videos and teach people the joys of contact staff. Thank you.